In this video, I'm going to show you how to do text-to-speech with an AI tool. And the tool that we're going to use for today is Clipchamp. You can access it by just going to clipchamp.com. You sign in with your email and you brought in over to this dashboard. So the first thing you need to see here is you can do text-to-speech. You can just click on try it and you'll be able to have access. You brought in over here. You can see text-to-speech down here. You can click and this is where you paste in your text here. So I have this simple text, and once you test it, you can go ahead and preview. If you want to preview, okay, you can preview it and then you can click on save, and this is going to generate the text for you. But before you generate, you can check the language over here. You can generate in multiple languages, you can see them, and then you can change the voice. This is Adam, the default. You can have other speakers as well, depending on you. If you have anyone that you're specifically interested in, you can hear this voice if you want to hear.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
This is fantastic. So if you like this voice, you have advanced features. You can play around with the pacing, the vocal pitch, and so on. So let's say I'm okay with all of this and I'm just going to click on save. This is going to create the voiceover for me and save it. See, right now it has been created. So let's play to have a preview.
Want to remove Mozilla Firefox from your computer? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall Mozilla Firefox completely.
Fantastic. Once you're done, you can come over here and you can click and then you can export your video. The funny part is that you can only export in video format and then you can convert it to audio if you're interested. Okay, so if you find this helpful, please leave a like.